Do you want to mount a folder as a drive in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do it. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If you want to mount a folder in Drive Windows 11, here is what you need to do. Whether you want to add a single folder or multiple folders as a drive, you can use either of the methods shown in this video. Let's get started. Method 1. How to mount a folder as a drive in Windows 11 using Windows Terminal. To mount a folder as a drive in Windows 11 using Windows Terminal, follow these steps. First, create a folder on your computer. As said earlier, it is recommended to make the folder in a safe location. Then right-click the folder and select Copy as Path from the context menu to copy the folder path. You can also open the same folder and copy the entire path from the address bar. Once done, press Win+X and select Terminal. For your information, you can open the command prompt and a PowerShell instance. Following that, enter this command. Replace the drive letter with a valid and available drive letter. To find an available drive letter, you can open this PC and check which drive letter is not visible in this PC. Following that, replace folder path with the original folder path. After you have entered all the details, the command will look like this. Press the enter button, then open this PC to find the newly mounted drive. Method 2. How to mount a folder as a drive in Windows 11 using a shortcut. To mount a folder, a drive in Windows 11 using a shortcut, follow these steps. Create a folder in a safe location, then right-click on the folder and select Copy as Path option to copy the folder path. Next, right-click on the desktop and select New, then Shortcut, then enter this. You must change the drive letter and the folder path with actual details. Once done, click on Next. Give your shortcut a name and click the Finish button. Then, double-click on the shortcut. Finally, you can open this PC to find your drive. How to find all mounted folders as drive in Windows 11. To find all the mounted folders as a drive in Windows 11, follow these steps. Press Win+X and select Terminal. Enter this command. Find the list of the terminal window. How to delete a mounted folder from Windows 11. Method 1. Using Windows Terminal. Open the Windows Terminal and use this command. You must replace the drive letter with the actual drive letter. Method 2. Using shortcut. To remove the mounted folder using a shortcut, follow these steps. Right-click on the desktop and select New, then Shortcut. Enter this. Replace the drive letter with the actual drive letter. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.